The STAHLWERK FLUX 160 ST digital welding machine has been awarded an outstanding grade of 1.3 and features the very latest, most advanced IGBT technology. Its remarkably intuitive operation allows this versatile device to seamlessly combine flux, electrode, and lift TIG welding capabilities all together within one comprehensive system. And thanks to its flux-cored wire, you can weld entirely without any shielding gas. It's ideal for the workshop, garage, and for outdoor use. Electrodes ignite reliably, ensuring a powerful and deep penetration. With Lift TIG, you can weld both precisely and reliably. It's perfectly suited for thin materials, providing a clean appearance and offering very fine control over the welding current. Robustly built and protected with an IP21S rating. It's resilient against wind and weather, supported by smart cooling technology, with a full 7-year warranty and a comprehensive range of included accessories. Just unpack it, connect it, and get started right away.